Happy Life Wishes. In continuation with the series of knowing the personality traits, now I'm going to tell you about jealousy and envy. See, in the dictionary there are two words, jealousy and envy. In a normal context, we use it as if it is the same thing, it is similar or same, but they are not. There is a difference. See, jealousy says me too, and envy says not you. So, what's that meaning? The jealous person, he wants others to love him or love her, but it's not that don't love other person. You love me also, you give priority to me also. But the envious person, if I don't get it, that person also shouldn't get, so harming others. So jealousy is harming self, envy is harming others. So in jealousy, what happens? It affects your health very badly. Why? Because it's constantly expecting love, affection, appreciation from others. So that others also not many, it is one or two people, the very much concentrated. The example, person, a child, mother's love, it expects so much that always craving for that. Here me also, if mother is giving more love to sibling, this boy or girl, this child will be looking at mother, and I am also here. So to get the attention, either they may do something good or bad, throwing tantrums or anything. Or they may be, their focus may be on teacher, they're like, one teacher particularly, so they do good in that subject only, and giving roses or some gifts or helping teacher, like that, so much attached to that. And one, there are other angle also, sometimes the jealous, that affects, like, the friendship, so much attached with one person that everything, no, entire life is based on them. So they have to report to them, everything, tell me first. So jealous person, he is not jealous if his friend gets promotion or anything good happens in his life, but if that friend doesn't tell him first, then these people go bonkers. They don't like it. Though nowadays in the mobile era, it is always, watching the online. He's online, but he's not answering me back. He's not giving attention to me. He's not replying to my messages or calls. He's doing to all the other people, not me. Like so much clinging happening, and this also leads to that nowadays homosexuality. But it is not physical aspect; it is mental clinging. In olden days, we could see close friends, they are marrying one single person, two girls, friends, they can't get separated, so they marry a single person. But now what is happening is, instead of marrying another person, they marry each other, or they want to be living together. So that is now living together of same sex, the homosexuality. So it is mental clinging. That is why when the verdict comes, they can't, then they are so much affected, because it's that attachment, clinging. Now what to do with that? You have to, I mean, their focus has to grow from one person to many people. So what happens, the appreciation, everything, when they expect from many people, they, it becomes like desire for responsibility, so they take up the responsibility so that they get that name, fame, everything. So that becomes like a strength. So that has to be worked on. So from handwriting we can identify this trait, and we can work on making it, the better way, not jealous as, but as a desire for responsibility. But jealous person, it goes into personality disorder, where eating and sleeping disorder starts, and it affects their health also badly. So, and it is fear of losing someone who you love. So sometimes what happens, you may love your mother so much attachment, one person only concentration, and mother may be having some, very bad ill, the health issue, and it's fear of losing her, fear of losing mother to cancer or anything. So this affects here, so they end up eating disorder may happen, or some other behavior issues, because others who are giving love, they are not looking at that, it's only here they are looking at. And now the envious person, it's like, the, if I don't get it, you also shouldn't get it, so they'll be spoiling things and around. So it is dangerous to others, so that we can identify and whether to trust this person or not. From handwriting analysis, you can understand this difference, identifying the traits. There is for jealousy, there is a stacking also. For envy, it is mostly the trait, but jealousy, the stacking also works on that. So you have to learn a little deeply into that. Understand the psychology behind that. Now onwards, when you say that person is jealous, understand whether that person is jealous or envious. So thank you for listening.